Okay, today we're gonna be smothering down some duck on some onions. We're starting off with about 4 onions, browning down with some butter, and got all the duck right here. I've had this marinating for a little bit. I still got 2 more to cut up. I'll show you how to do that. And for the marinade, we have some Worcestershire, Italian dressing, and hot sauce, and some seasoning. That's all you need for your marinade. Gonna let this brown down, cook down. Alright, to cut up this duck meat, I'm just cutting it in half first, like filleting it. Get some nice thin slices of meat. That. Just cutting it into smaller pieces. That wasn't a very good slice to cut. Cutting square pieces off the thinner pieces. I just cut this one in half again. Once your onions are browned down, just want to add in that duck meat. Oh no. Mix it up, mix it up. It's a lot of meat. It's a good bit of meat. A lot of onions too. That's probably about a limit of ducks right there, maybe. Maybe not even, I don't know. That's what it's looking like so far. You always want to make sure there's a little bit of liquid left in the pot. You don't want to let it run out of liquid and burn it. Just want to let it cook down and thicken up. Make a little gravy. It's going to go on your rice. You want to add about a half cup. Make it a thick onion gravy.
Let that cook down.
Let that cook down.
Add a little more water.
Then, when it's all cooked down, just add a little bit more water. When it starts looking like this, then you know it's ready. Big change from when it started. Just want to put that on some rice. So tender. Gotta let it cook down till it's almost liquidy. So tender. And that right there is the best way to cook duck. Thanks for watching.